Today we are going to see about the weightage marks of biology. There are 4 chapters in Unit 1. Chapter 1, The Living World. Chapter 2, Biological Classification. Chapter 3, Plant Kingdom. Chapter 4, Animal Kingdom. We expect 7 questions from this chapter, that is 28 marks from this chapter. Unit 2, Structure Organization in Plants and Animals. In this unit we have 3 chapters. Chapter 5, Morphology of Flowering Plants. Chapter 6, Anatomy of Flowering Plants. Chapter 7, Structural Organization in Plants. In this unit, we expect 2 to 3 questions from these chapters. Okay. Unit 3, Cell Structure and Functions. There are 3 chapters in this unit. Chapter 8, Cell, the Unit of Life. Chapter 9, Biomolecules. Chapter 10, Cell Cycle and Cell Division. In this unit, we expect 4 to 5 questions. Unit 4, Plant Physiology. There are 5 chapters in this unit. Chapter 11, Transport in Plants. Chapter 12, Mineral Nutrition. Chapter 13, Photosynthesis in Higher Plants. Chapter 14, Respiration in Plants. Chapter 15, Plant Growth and Development. We expect 4 to 5 questions from this unit. Unit 5, Human Physiology. There are 7 chapters in this unit. Chapter 16, Digestion and Absorption. Chapter 17, Breathing and Exchange of Gases. Chapter 18, Body Fluids and Circulation. Chapter 19, Excretory Products and their elimination. Chapter 20, Locomotion and Movement. Chapter 21, Neural Control and Coordination. Chapter 22, Chemical Coordination and Integration. Prepare well. All the best for your exam. Thank you.